News 4 is watching out for renters tonight. A Missouri landlord who News 4 has investigated before now stands accused of bullying his tenants into evictions. And as evictions prepare to come back online, one woman is concerned for others. She tells News 4's Ashley Lincoln this landlord took nearly everything she owned after giving her the boot.
It was a Wednesday.
In November of 2019, when Regina Wingo says her former landlord stole everything she and her 3 children owned.
We had nothing. I'm just broken.
The mother of 3 says she fell on hard times after a divorce and unforeseen medical bills, leaving her behind $1,200 in rent at the Hathaway Village Apartments in Florissant. News 4 found the company is owned by Herbert Ballman, a Ballman property company. We reported on concerns from residents in the past regarding conditions at some of Ballman's properties.
Unprofessional.
Wingo now suing the company, citing they illegally took her private possessions. In the suit, it explains after the eviction proceedings began, she went to court and signed a document to pay the rent back in installments. But when trying to pay the company, they denied her money.
She was like, "Oh, don't worry about it. I'm not supposed to do this, but I'm gonna refuse your payment."
From there, Wingo says the apartment had the locks changed to her unit and refused to let her remove her belongings. Days later, Wingo says management called saying her items had been removed from the unit and placed on the curb. But when she arrived, she says she spotted an empty apartment with a fraction of what she owned sitting outside.
I lost pictures, birth certificates, all their information I had for them, everything they had, my son's clothes. I had to go that day and buy everything. We had nothing. I had to buy shoes and socks and undergarments.
Ballman's attorney tried dismissing the case, claiming they were within their legal rights to take possession of Wingo's belongings because they had abandoned the property. Wingo's attorney refutes that. News 4 found Missouri law does allow for landlords to seize possessions, but only if a landlord can prove that the property had been abandoned for some time.
I just think it's so unfair because we work hard. The people who live in these properties go to work and go to work. I go to work every day.
Ashley Lincoln, News 4.
News 4 did reach out to Ballman for comment. He said he did not want to talk. We've also learned this is not the first time he's been accused of using the courts to intimidate tenants. A St. Louis County judge dismissed a previous case after he tried suing a tenant who was passing out pamphlets to renters who needed rental assistance.